Hello, myself Sagnik Das. My university roll number is 11, and the topic of our physics project is graphical analysis of input frequency difference versus number of beats per second.
Hello, myself Saurabh Kumar and my university roll number is 12.
Myself Sheikh Kaushal, my university roll number is 13.
Myself Shivam Sahil, my roll number is 14.
Hello, I'm Shubham Karmakar and my university roll number is 15. Here we are going to graphically analyze input frequency difference versus beat per second. Here in apparatus we have two speakers, few jumper wires connected to two amplifiers, a battery pack of 3.7 volt to power the amplifier, two aux cables connected with our phone in which we have installed two frequency generator apps, and here we have one microphone.
Based on our experiments, here we are going to diagrammatically view the circuit diagram. As a circuit diagram, we have two different speakers which are further connected to the two different amplifier. The amplifier are further connected to the aux cable, and the aux cable further connected to the frequency generator, which is an application installed in our phone. Phone will produce the frequency. Further, the amplifier is connected to the power supply of 3.7 volt, and our speakers will give the different types of outputs. Thank you. We aims to experimentally verify that the beat frequency is equal to the frequency difference of two sources and plot a graph demonstrating that the slope of the relationship is 1. In the graph, we plot on the x-axis the input frequency difference, which is mod of f1 minus f2, and in the y-axis we plot the beat frequency per second. With the Audacity, we plot the beat frequency, and the input frequency is taken by the frequency generator, which will be linearly increased in the interval of 2. Further, if we plot the beat frequency and the input frequency, then the slope of this graph will be 1. Now we are going to experimentally verify it.
This frequency generator is at 450 Hz, which will be constant, and this one is at 452 Hz, which is varying.
Now we are going to play the recorded audio in Audacity to determine the number of beats per second.